I'm Fucci and welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. It's Keto month here in the TK where all month long we're featuring some really great, really tasty, keto-licious recipes. Today, I am not fishing for compliments. I am not casting aspersions. No, this is the real deal. We're making keto-crusted fish. I'm talking a delicate, flaky white fish in a bold, nutty crust. This keto's a catch-all, so get ready to bring it.
Keto.
So what you're gonna need is your favorite thin white fish, almond meal, coconut flour, an egg, ghee, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. You'll also need a frying pan, 3 plates, a fish spatula, and a fork. Fish is great when you're following the keto diet because traditionally it is low in carbs and packed with protein. Of course, the fat content varies depending on the fish, so just select a variety that fits the needs of your diet. Now, in creating this recipe, I wanted to create a super delicious pan-crusted fish without adding a ton of extra carbs. So instead of flour and breadcrumbs, we are using coconut flour and almond meal. Now, almond meal is just a really coarse grind of almonds. It's gonna give you a really nice texture to the crust and add a super nutty flavor. Now, I've patted our fish dry with some paper towels. We're gonna get started by seasoning it on both sides with a little salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I'm using a Dover sole. This is a great mild white fish. It's also a little bit thinner, which works well in this recipe because the almond meal can darken and you don't want it to burn before your fish is cooked. So use a thinner fish, maybe like a tilapia or an orange roughy. Haddock works great, flounder. There are tons of options out there. Just find the best one for you. Next, we've got our dipping station set up. And as I mentioned before, instead of flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs, we've got our coconut flour, eggs, and almond meal. This will keep it keto friendly. Really simple. We're just gonna start by dipping it into our coconut flour. Then we'll shake off the excess. Onto the egg wash. I like to use one hand for dipping and then it keeps one hand clean. Onto the almonds. And then I use this clean hand to just throw it on top. We're gonna pack it with those almonds. Once it's completely coated, we'll place it on our clean plate. All right, we've got our frying pan over medium heat. I'm gonna add our ghee. Ghee is just clarified butter. Basically, it's butter with the milk solids removed, so it gives it a higher smoke point, keeps it from burning, which is great when you're cooking fish. We'll spread the ghee around in the pan. Place our fillets right inside. Now we're gonna cook it on this side until it's nice and golden brown on the bottom. Depending on the thickness of the fish, it might take a little longer. We'll just give it a little look underneath, and when it's ready to turn, we'll give it a flip. Ah, perfect. We'll finish it off on this side and we'll plate it up. So check this out. Is that crust not gorgeous? I'm just serving it alongside some wilted spinach, also very low in carbs. I did it very simply with some olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic. So good. Hey, go get the recipe for this. It's available on our website. You can also check us out at Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. And when you try this recipe, please let us know about it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Until next time, I'm Fucci reminding you that if I can make keto-crusted fish in a kitchen this tiny, you can make it in yours. We'll see you next time on Tiny Kitchen. Big taste. Almondy good. Get ready to bring it. That Keto Crunch. Okay, get out of here.